Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what's enforcing the managed status. Open Chrome, //policy and read the listed policies so you know what must be removed. Next, sign out of any work or school Google account and switch to a local profile. This prevents automatic reapplication. Then disable or remove extensions that appear enterprise-related. Once done, make sure you've noted each policy name and source, because you'll target them directly in the next step that edits system policy locations. You now remove the policies at their system locations. This is the core fix. On Windows, open Regedit and go to hklm/software/policies /Google/Chrome and hkcu/software/policies /Google/Chrome. Export keys as backups, then delete Chrome policy entries. On Mac OS, check /library/preferences and /library/Google for PLIST or JSON policy files, and remove them with. You finish by restarting the computer, which lets Chrome read the updated system state. Then open Chrome /policy to verify policies are gone. If the managed label still appears, reset Chrome settings to default or reinstall the browser, because some lingering files can preserve the flag. Make sure to remove any enterprise management agents or leftover admin software that reintroduces policies. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see managed after all steps, restore backups and inspect installed programs for management suites, then uninstall those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.